Hey everyone, welcome to my channel OmriyasCreations. In this video, I will be showing you 5 easy DIY printed wrapping papers. So if you guys are interested in this video, then please keep watching the video. So first of all, we need one blank paper and watercolor. Here I am using this Rangila Tempera colors. It has 18 shades and it's just for ₹35. Now take a brush and start making colorful hearts on the blank paper. Here I am using different colors. If you want, then you can use only one color like red and pink. These printed papers are super easy to make. You can use these papers to wrap your gifts or to make greeting cards. So here we have this heart printed paper. Now just take any black pen or marker and draw the border of the heart. And here our colorful heart printed paper is ready. So for the next DIY, we need blank paper, black color and yellow color. Take a brush and make yellow spots on paper. Then take a black color and draw some outer line of that yellow spot. Now something like this you will get to see. This is very simple. You can design your own leopard print card with this DIY printed paper. Keep following this same process until your paper is completely covered by this print. And here our leopard printed wrapping paper is ready. So for our third DIY, we need blank paper and start drawing circles on the paper. Again here I am using different colors to draw my circles. After drawing the circles, we need black pen. With the help of the pen, we are going to draw smiling faces on the circle like so. Follow the same process for each and every circle, and here our smiling face printed paper is ready. You can also use it to wrap your gifts. Let's move on to our fourth DIY, which is very simple. Just take a blank paper and start drawing XOXO font with the help of the black color. You can also use red color if you want. Now take a black pen and make small size XOXO font, and here you have the XOXO font printed paper. So for our last DIY, we need blank paper and black color. Draw some broad strips on the paper with the help of the black color. After drawing the strips, we need red color to make small dots like this. And now this printed paper is ready. That's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.